So hello and welcome back. First, you're going to open up Tinkercad, log in, and click Create Circuits. Then we are going to search for a breadboard. It doesn't matter which size breadboard, but I always pick the smaller one. Then I use R to rotate it. And then I am going to search for a 9-volt battery. And I'm going to rotate that so that I can attach the red to the red node and the black to the black node on the breadboard to supply the power. That's a power bus. Then I'm going to slide off 4 red LEDs and change the colors for 3 of them to green, yellow, and blue. Now I'm going to put these in series from anode to cathode. So I'm going to use R to rotate all of them. And then I am going to put them in a row and add the wires to connect them end to end. Remember, you have to pay attention and make sure it's anode to cathode, head to tail. If you don't do it, the LEDs won't turn on when you're finished. So the very first anode, I'm going to connect to the red, which is a positive charge on the voltage. The very last cathode, I'm going to attach to black, which is the negative charge on the power supply or voltage or battery. And then I'm using these short wires to connect each cathode to the anode of the next LED. Notice that first one was a little short, so I had to delete it and do it again. And now I'm going to reconnect that one, and then I'm going to start the simulation. And great news, all of the LEDs lit up. They aren't burning up. However, it tells me that it's 40 milliamps, which is really high, instead of 20 milliamps. So I want to get rid of the warning, so I'm going to add one more LED. I added an orange one, and now when I run it, all the LEDs work great and there's no warnings. This is your homework. There's no classroom. Just upload it to TikTok and tag me. Stay STEM-tastic and come back for more.